Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. If you are seeing this channel for first time, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. So today our topic is properties of integers. Everyone feels that this topic is very tough for them, but actually this topic is very easy. So mainly coming into the topic, we have 5 properties over here. That is closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property and identity property. So even though there are 5, it's very easy. So let us know about them. So first, knowing about closure property, these all properties only work in addition and multiplication. They both don't work in subtraction and division. Let us see how it is. So in the for closure property, when we come to addition, the formula is like this. A plus B is equal to C. That means when we add two numbers, we will get the answer. That is called as closure property under addition. For example, we will have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That means we are adding two numbers here and we are getting answer as 5. Coming to multiplication under closure property under multiplication, here it is A into B is equal to C. That means we are multiplying two numbers to get the answer. We will take these two numbers here. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. That means we are multiplying this 2 and 3 in order to get the answer, that is 6. So here we are adding these two numbers and here we are multiplying these two numbers to get the answer. Anything will do like this, it comes under closure property. Commutative property is the easiest property here. And the formula for this is A plus B is equal to B plus A. See how simple is it? Just reversing these both. We have to keep the symbol as is, but just we have to reverse these both numbers. When they give A plus B, the answer is B plus A. Suppose 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2. This is the answer. That means we'll get 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Now coming to multiplication, commutative property under multiplication, we'll get A into B is equal to B into A. That means 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. So we'll get the both answer as 6. So this is called the commutative property under addition and commutative property under multiplication. I hope these both are very easy for you. Associative property is dead easy than these both. It's just the same answer. For addition, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. You might have wondered that what the same answer for this both. No, the difference is the brackets. First, in the LHS, that means equals to before whatever the numbers are there. For those variables, we'll keep the brackets for A and B. After equals to, we'll keep the brackets for B and C. And same for multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. That means here for these both brackets and for here these both. So I think associative property is more easier than these two properties. Now coming to distributive property, see here we'll have for addition separate and for multiplication separate. But for distributive property, the addition and multiplication will be same. For example, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That means, what is here? Here, let us take an example of A is a teacher and these both are the students. So now this teacher wants to distribute her 2 chocolates to these 2 students. Now teacher has to distribute for this student and also teacher has to distribute for this student. So now what happens is, here multiplication symbol, into symbol is outside the bracket and plus symbol is inside the bracket. So just you will do is, first keep 2 brackets here. Okay, in one bracket keep A, B. In another bracket also keep A, C. Okay, now the only thing you have to do is, in the brackets you will keep A into B and A into C. Whenever there are brackets and bracket outside there is one number, you have to know that this number belongs to both these numbers. So you have to multiply this number with these two numbers. And whatever this plus symbol it is inside, no, so it comes outside, and whatever this into symbol which is outside, it just goes inside. Okay. Now I think so this is easy. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now coming to identity property, it is also easy property. Under addition, identity property under addition is A plus 0 is equal to A. And under multiplication, A into 1 is equal to A. For example, here it comes 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, and 2 into 1 is also is equal to 2. Okay, identity property. So now we have additive identity and multiplicative identity. So in this identity property, additive identity and multiplicative identity. So what are these both? It's very easy. In additive identity, you have to remember only one thing, that is sign. Here, if suppose minus 2 or minus 3 is there, it changes to plus 3. Only the sign over here is changed. The number will be the same, only the sign. If it is plus here, it becomes minus here. But in the multiplicative identity, it becomes totally reciprocal of divisions. Suppose there is 5 by 7. It becomes 7 by 5. That means totally it became reciprocal. So this is called multiplicative identity and additive identity. So now I hope you all understood these all properties, and I hope that you are feeling very easy to know these properties. If you like this channel and my explanation, please do subscribe. Thank you all.